Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
Hey guys, it's Shamar and welcome back to my channel. So, it's another vloggy vlog during social distancing time. So right now it's about 2:30 and me and this man is supposed to be going to go pick up some groceries. Not really like grocery, but like pick up some like water, milk, and I think he want to get some more fruits and stuff. Also need to make a run to the hair store because I think I'm just gonna put one of my old wigs on and just get myself back feeling like myself. So I need to go to the hair store, pick up some stuff. So I just wanted to start vlogging. Looking on my phone because I picked up my camera and I noticed that my battery was dying. Tried to charge the camera and I can't find my battery charger. And I can't find my other battery. So it's just like, bruh, help me understand, Lord Jesus, what is going on, because I don't. Here he comes. Sweet, sweet time. Of course he's on the phone. But yeah, so I don't know where my other battery is, or my battery charger. So when I go home I have to like go through the house and try to find it. But just wanted to say, hey girl, hey. Don't know what else we're gonna do. Pico has to go work out by 5 o'clock, so whatever we do, we'd have to do it by then. And then I also wanted to look at him. Just look at him. Tavares.
Yes.
Please tell me what took you so long.
I went that way.
Why?
I didn't know where your car was.
That's why you should have drove. Aggie. Hold this for me, please.
What am I holding?
My phone, because I don't have...
You know you got a front camera just as good as the back.
It doesn't look as good.
You don't think so?
So
What?
hold it accordingly. So, me for come out.
Yeah, that don't make no damn sense. Run that shit up. Hey y'all.
Where are we going first?
You can go to the hair store.
Big hair store. Big.
I hope they close and there's gonna be big upset. Big upset.
You're a big hater. Big hater. Tavares, do you know how ugly you're looking?
Then ugly in me is like saying like night and day. Total opposites, you know what I mean? Total opposites. They don't ever
No, it's like dawn and dusk, you know?
No.
Yeah.
It's like night and day because they don't ever happen at the same time. Right?
How you feel about my braids? I'm getting your reaction on camera. How you feel about how I look right now?
I don't mind it. What are you saying? Like, you had braids for the longest. It's not a new hairstyle.
Yeah, but how you feel about them?
I don't
Over
feel-
them?
I don't care.
Tired of seeing them? That color car is nice. But yeah, I just want to get some vlog content in so I can post tomorrow, because I've been trying to post more consistently because I know y'all done got shit to do just like we don't. So
Y'all in quarantine.
yeah.
For all those people out there that's sick, you know what I mean? Prayers up to y'all, you know. Y'all try to stay safe throughout this time. You know, take the time out, meditate a little bit more, pray a little bit more, wash a little bit more.
Wash? What they washing?
I kind of like this time that we're in, to be honest with y'all.
Yeah, we were both saying how much we kind of enjoy the world being like paused
it just seems
or
a little
slowed
bit more
down.
peaceful.
Yeah, it's a lot more peaceful. It's just everybody's not hustling and bustling to go somewhere. Like, sit y'all asses down somewhere. You know, the stores are, you know what I'm saying, less hectic. What do you guys think? Do you think you just can't wait for it to go back to normal, or are you actually enjoying this?
Not thinking about the people that's like missing out on money. Of course, y'all want to go back to making money. Like, who doesn't want to make money? We understand that part. Try to like not think about that part and answer the question.
Yeah, you guys, I'll pick it back up when I get in the store, show you guys what I'm buying. So bye. So we are now in Walmart picking up some essentials. I told people nothing more, nothing less. But here we are picking up cereal, even though we have cereal at home. We got some almond milk, some coconut water, because we don't have no more real coconut. I got some oatmeal and water. And I think that should be all we get. Now we're looking at sugar, seasoning, because this one don't have leave.
That's what we need. That ain't what I want to leave. It's what we need.
You don't need it. It's fine. We have plenty of seasoning.
We do not.
We do.
We got no black pepper. I couldn't even get no chips.
For the most part, our Walmart is back stocked. The water, it wasn't like fully stocked with the water, but there was water there, and they only limit 1 case. We could do 2 checkouts and get 2 cases of water, but we still have some other, like 5 other bottles of water home, so we don't really need that much. But yeah, for the most part, everything is back stocked at this Walmart. And this Walmart used to be a 24-hour Walmart, but now they close at like 8 o'clock, right? 8:30, so. Yup. So yeah, we're about to check out. I did go to the beauty supply store and got some stuff. I'll show you guys what I got. And then we're gonna go home. And then Pico's gonna leave, so. Yeah.
Where's Pico going?
Where you going? Where you going? Workout. Oh baby, I had to get a little bottle of shampoo. Conditioner. You wanna stay in line?
Nothing more, nothing less.
Nothing more, nothing less. I just need some cheap little conditioner to co-wash my wig. So I ain't even looking for nothing too crazy. I do use, let's see, look on the other eye. I do use these ones, but I don't need that big of a bottle. I literally just want like a $2 bottle of shampoo. Conditioner. Oh, this should be good. The one that I really like, I don't even see it. The one I usually use. Oh, I can still get it. This is the brand I like. But I don't know which one I want. Just gonna get this one.
So we get to my favorite store, Whole Foods, and they back with the damn lines, bro. They only letting a certain. Damn, grandma, I ain't mean to get you in there.
Grandma dress all up.
You see? They got the damn dots on the floor to where you gotta stand inside your dot and one person in at a time in the store, bro. Like, they just doing too much, bro.
So we are not going to Whole Foods today.
Whole
No one Tavares, he'll be back here later on.
Whole Foods, I'll see you later, bro. That's ridiculous, dog. I really wanted to go in there too.
Okay, y'all, so we are back in the house and I'm having a quick little snack. It's 5 o'clock right now. I'm having some guac Whole Foods with these chips that we also got from Whole Foods. White corn tortilla. Just gonna have it like this with some juice. I don't know why it's in a wine glass, but I need to do some dishes. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna go watch 90 Day Fiance on my phone. I could watch it on my computer as well, but so I'm gonna take this, head on over to the couch. Tavares is over here eating his meal prepped lunch. What was this?
Like a sweet potato noodle with ground beef.
He's watching football highlights. So we're just chilling on the couch. He's about to go work out though, so I'm just here. Oh, and he's also drinking one of the coconut waters that we just bought. But yeah, you guys, this is one of my fave snacks.
That chip can be stale.
Yeah.
No.
You stale. How about that? But yeah, you guys. After this, a little bit later, I'm gonna wash my wig and rebraid my hair. So I'll come back later. Y'all, so it's hours later. Why you, bro, you barely have on clothes. Relax. before I had the tompote ayer. I just was gonna show y'all Pico's meal. So he's having gluten-free gourmet, whatever that word is, weight loss fit salmon. Me not understand it, but I taste. He's been delaying eating, and I made some fish and what I made, dumpling and banana for myself tonight. But I was gonna show you guys what I bought from the hair store. So I didn't get much. I just got a new head tie. I got 3 of these. They had 3 for $1. And then I got an eyebrow pencil, and I got the Walker's tape to do my lace. So yeah, this is what I used to put on my lace. So tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to continue this vlog over. I'm not showing y'all my face right now because I look real crazy or whatever. But I don't know if today's vlog is enough for a vlog by itself, or I'm gonna have to continue vlogging tomorrow, which I am gonna vlog tomorrow, but I don't know if both of them are gonna be mixed together. So yeah, I'm gonna close it out, say good night to you guys. Say good night, honey.
Good night, honey.
I'm about to eat, shower, and then wash my wig so it could dry overnight. Then tomorrow we're gonna attempt to film a few videos and stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, because they're looking at you.
Bye, y'all.
So cute.